Hey, Jason Kay here. We are in the Montmere development. There are 9 units left. We are in the B unit, which is otherwise known as the Suncrest, about 2,400 square feet. Let's go for a quick tour. So behind me is the 2-car garage. It is being used as the office, so doesn't look like much. Let me go reverse the camera and get started here.
Now,
Here's the first floor office and powder room. Enough with the powder room. Let's head towards the office, shall we? Okay. Here's the office actually being used as the office,
which will remain
with a view of the lake in the back and a lovely first floor patio.
In here,
and a nice closet with access to the utilities. Walking over, elevators on the left. We're going to actually walk up the stairs instead of going into that door.
It's kind of boring. We're instead going to walk up the stairs. And
notice the nice footpath lighting as well as sconces in most of the units. Powder room is directly in front of us, but check out this living space.
We're here for the kitchen and the family room.
Huge open. Isn't that incredible?
Yay! Nice sized dining room. The units do come with this trim that's up there. That is not an upgrade. This unit, however, is upgraded with some of the appliances in the kitchen. Nice sized pantry. Huge island. Make a pleasure for preparing food. Window over the sink, which is always nice. Double ovens. And now the family room with a gas fireplace. And of course, open to that beautiful waterfall island in the kitchen. And this unit does indeed have a view of the lake with a small balcony. And let's head upstairs. There's the elevator from the first floor. Hit the button, it comes up. And again with the aisle path lighting in the stairs. Now here on the second floor are all the bedrooms and the laundry, which is a really nice thing to not have to bring laundry up and down the stairs. There's the elevator again. And in here is the primary. Beautiful view of the lake and the mountains to the west. And a nice finished master closet. Sorry, primary. Built-in speakers too. Walking through the barn door into the primary bathroom. 5-piece bathroom. Hi! His and her sinks, separate wash closet, and separate shower and tub. The tub actually does have privacy. Get light, but no one can see it. Walking back down the hall. And here we have a linen closet that actually opens into the laundry room, so you can just fold your clothes, leave it there, and don't have to move them, which is really freaking cool. Never seen that before. I really like that feature. Here's the laundry room. Washer and dryers generally don't come with the units, but in this model they do. Hi again. Nicely upgraded bathroom that's split between the 2 bedrooms over here. Decent sized closet. Great kids room or guest room. And the next bedroom, again, similar sized closet, good sized room. You've got a full size or queen size bed in there, and it actually opens to the bathroom that we just passed. Now going upstairs. The only thing up here is the deck, which is really nice. A great view of the lake and the hills. is natural gas supplied to this grill and outdoor kitchen. And that's the view from the rooftop deck. There are the mountains. Beautiful. I'd live there, honestly. There's another gas stub up here that you can put in for a gas fireplace, but it is not rated for a hot tub, unfortunately. And that's the look inside to the stairs and the elevator going down. Well, I hope you enjoy the view and the lake. Great unit. Definitely love it. I'll be surprised if it sticks around for much longer. So I hope you enjoy this and definitely live your best life. Thanks so much. Gosh, those mountains are pretty.
As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what that process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. While you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or the more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save you thousands and thousands on your home purchase. Want to know more? Book time on my calendar on the link below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. And don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, live your best life.